So this is how this powerful strategy works, right? First of all, the first thing you need to do, okay, is to allow this yellow moving average to get below the 15 level, right? Once you see that it's touching the green level, right, you get ready to buy. Okay, now you are ready to buy. Now the next thing, you wait for a spike to occur, right? Once you see the spike occur and it breaks above the yellow line on the main chart right here, right? Once you see that it's above the main chart, all right, you have to go in for your buy entry, right? Now once you go in, there is going to be spike, right? This is how you are going to know spike is coming. Breaking above the yellow line is telling you that price has broken above the resistance line, right? It has broken, and the next thing that will happen is going to be spikes, right? Spikes are going to start coming, right? This boom and crash market, it respects price action very well. So now that it has broken above, the next thing it will retest, and then there will be another spike, just like it has happened here, right? Now let me show you another example. Let me show you. Same thing also happened here, right? Same thing also happened here. The both line was touching the green line, and then there was a spike. It broke above, and then the next thing it retests, right? Show you the same thing here. It retests, and then there was another spike, right? There was another spike. Sorry, I don't know what just happened. Now here is another example, right? Both got to the green level below the 15 level, and there was a spike. Okay, now once you see price going down, like price is going down, you are not supposed to buy it, right? You have to wait for the confirmation, which is the spike, right? Showing you that price has broken through the resistance level, and then it will come back to retest, and then for continuation to the upside, right? And that's what happened here, right? It broke above like this, it retests, and then there was a continuation. Now the best time for you to enter is immediately that spike happened and you see it's above the yellow line on the main chart, right? So this is where you are to take your entry from. This point is where you are to take your entry from, right? And then you are going to hold till whenever you see that the blue line here on the indicator window has gotten to the 85 level. That's when you are to close. Okay, once you see the spike and it gets to that level, then you close and you wait for the next opportunity, right? There will be more spike, but it's not good to be greedy because you don't know what the market might do next, right? So you just close and you look for the next opportunity. Now this is another an example here. There was a spike. This is another example. There was a spike, and let's say you take your entry from this place, and then you are holding. You can see there was another massive spike here. Sometimes the spike will not come quick, but don't worry, it will come. Okay, so let's say you have a $20 account, right? This strategy is for you. You can use it to grow that $20 account. Okay, but let's say you have a $10 account. At this junction, like when it's going down here, it might, like, you will not be able to have the money to hold. Maybe all these ticks here might have taken like $5 already, and you get emotional. So make sure you have like $20 or $30 account before you apply this strategy, alright? So that you not, whenever you lose $5, it will not like affect you very much. So this is how simple the strategy is. Very, very simple to understand, right? Now you can see there was another spike here. Let me show you one more example and then I'll share the settings. Now you can see here there was this spike, it broke above the yellow line, you enter from this place, and then this second one that show you that it has gotten to the 85, you have to close and then you look for the next opportunity. So that is pretty much everything you need to know concerning this strategy. Now the setup, you click on the N icon, right? The first indicator here is the moving average, right? And this is the setting. This is the setting for the moving average, right? There 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Under the star we have 3 pixel, and this is the color. You can use any color of your choice, right? After that you have to click on done, right? Click on done. Then the next indicator here is the average directional movement index, right? Click on it, and then these are the settings. These are the settings. We have 360. Under the style we have 2 pixel, this is the color, and plus TI 2 pixel, this is the color, and then we have minus DI, this is the color. Under the level we have the 85 and the 15 right here, right? After that click on done, and then before you add the moving average again, you are going to click on this F icon, right? You search for the moving average and then you click on it, right? And then these are the settings for this one, right? Just set it the same way you are seeing it right here in this video, right? And then you click on done. After you are done, and then you choose another moving average again, right? But before you do that, you need to click on this F icon again, right? And then you click the last, you search and add the last moving average, right? And these are the settings. The 85, sorry, the 35, shift -1, method linear width, apply to close. Under this there we have 3 pixel, and then same color with the main chart, right? Then after that you click on done. I'm going to have a screen like this, right? Now for the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice, right? 1, 2. This is the zoom level, right? So this is the important things you need to know regarding this strategy, right? You go out there, back test it, see if it's working for you before you put your real money. Okay, thanks for watching, and please, if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe, right? And like the video, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you. Silver out.